Hello, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to take your normal everyday photos and make them 10 times better. Here is an example of an everyday picture of some mushrooms, and here is a picture of the exact same mushrooms but with using all the steps that I'm about to show you. Before we even start, please clean off your camera lens. Even if you have to use your shirt, still clean it off. It'll make a night and day difference. The first step you need to do is finding a subject to take a picture of. In my case, I'm going to be taking a picture of these mushrooms right here that are on this log. So a normal everyday picture would just be going up to it and taking a picture just like that. However, these two tips that I'm about to show you will drastically improve your photos. The first tip is framing the shot properly, and this is easily one of the most important steps. If we simply just bring the phone down slightly, then we can see that these mushrooms are growing out of this really cool crack along here. And to even better frame the mushrooms, we can bring it to the side so then we can get some really cool depth to our image. From there we can just focus on one, and I think that looks really good. However, there is one more thing that we can do to make this image look even better. If you tap and hold on a part of your screen, if you're using a smartphone, then you'll have a little bar that you can drag up and down or side to side to brighten or darken your image. Often smartphones overexpose their images, so just bringing it down a little bit will instantly make your photo better. From there, just snap the picture, and just like that, you instantly can take better photos. So here's one more example. So let's say I just kind of want to get a picture of the path here, and not just take a picture just like this, but kind of make it look a little more fancy. What I could do is simply just get lower to the ground like normal. I think that even just getting lower to the ground can drastically help a picture. And then just tap where you want to focus, and then, like I said, turn the brightness down a little bit and snap the picture. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and if you have any video ideas, please comment them down below. Or if you want me to do more photography videos, then also let me know. But until next time, here's a video on in-camera transitions.